Hello everybody, my name is Tang. For my final project, I choose to analyze a company that has undergone one of the most impressive strategic transformation in business history, Hyundai Motor Group. Now, if you still think of Hyundai or Kia as just cheap alternatives, 2024 data will definitely change your perspective. This past year, the group generated $142 billion in consolidated revenue and achieved a net profit of $8.7 billion. By selling 7.3 million vehicles globally, they have solidified their position as the third largest automaker in the world by volume. What's truly fascinating from a strategic management standpoint is their pivot from a value-oriented manufacturer to a premium competitor. This growth, which is averaging 8 to 12% annually, is being driven by a two-pronged approach: the aggressive expansion of their luxury Genesis brand and the massive forward-looking investment in electrification. To understand how they stay competitive, we have to look at their SWOT profile. First, the strengths and opportunities. A core strength is the HEMP electric platform. It provides a significant technical advantage in charging speed and range. They also utilize vertically integrated manufacturing, which allow them to control costs and maintain a high quality standard than many of their peers. Looking forward, there is an explosive growth potential in the global EV market and emerging market like India, South Asia. However, there are weaknesses and threats. On the flip side, they have a heavy reliance on South Korean manufacturing, which leaves them vulnerable to regional disruption. While Genesis is growing, they still face brand lag when competing against established German rivals like BMW or Mercedes. They also caught in a pincer movement between Tesla's software lead and the rapid scaling of Chinese EV makers. Now let's look under the hood of their value chain to see how they actually create value. Their primary activities are built on lean efficiency. In inbound logistics, they use just-in-time inventory system and strategic suppliers relationship to minimize waste. Their operations are highly automated across global facilities, allowing them to shift production line flexibly based on market demand. A major differentiator is their service strategy. The industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty is not just a marketing gimmick, it's a strategic tool used to build long-term consumer trust and signal quality. Supporting all of this, a massive research and development budget is sitting $10 billion annually. This focus on three pillars: electric powertrains, autonomous driving, and connected car platform. One of the most critical part of this strategy is how they are managing the industry life cycle. As traditional internal combustion engine move toward maturity and decline, Hyundai is sprinting ahead. They stay at the forefront. They establish innovation center in global hubs like Silicon Valley, Berlin, Beijing, and China to scan for emerging change. Let's look at their technical and business model. Breakthrough, the HEMP platform is a game changer. It's enabled 800-volt ultra-fast charging, going from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes. They're deploying AI-powered smart factories that use computer vision to detect defects invisible to the human eyes. They are also experimenting with subscription services for urban professionals and direct-to-consumer sale for the Genesis brand. The ultimate goal is transition software-defined vehicle. This means the car become a platform where features can be updated over the air, creating a new recurrent revenue stream through software subscription. To wrap it up, Hyundai is a textbook example of successful strategic repositioning. They didn't just stay in the lane as a purchase brand. Instead, they recognized the technological shift towards EV and software early, invested billions in proprietary platforms like HEMP, and successfully moved from being seen as affordable to aspirational. I believe their aggressive focus on design force EV and integrated software ecosystem will keep them a dominant force in the industry for the next decade. Thank you for your time, and I'm looking forward to your question.